Good morning, students. Today we'll start continuation of the lesson. Question number 10. Find the number of numbers that greater than 4000 which can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 without repetition. The question is given that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Find the number of numbers that are greater than 4000. So which can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So greater than, the question is given that greater than 4000, greater than 4000 by using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Find the number of numbers. So it may be how many digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are given. So that's why two cases will be arise to solve this problem. So that may be 4-digit number, it can be formed first, or else another way is 5-digit number. 5 because given digits are 5 now, so it will be formed by 5 digit and 4 digit. So 4 digit means first we'll take the 5 digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The digits are given digits are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that is, if you cannot be put in the last thousand units, tens, thousand, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So last place should not be with the should not be filled with first place with 0. So 0 cannot be in the first place. Why? Because if it is complete put in the last place, we have the number greater than 4000. So greater than 4000 means the 5-digit number becomes to 4 digits. So that is why don't use in the first place with 0. So it will be eliminated. So how many numbers are 4 numbers, 4 blank places. So this can be done in 4 factorial ways. This is the first one. But how many numbers we will put in this? As to start with 2, start with 4, start with 6, start with. So total numbers are 4 into 4 factorial. That is 4 into 24. That is 96 numbers. We will get the 5-digit number. So therefore the number of 5-digit numbers are 96. In the similar way 4-digit numbers. So the condition is given greater than 4000. Why? Because this is a 4-digit number. So the condition should be greater than 4000 should be applied here. So that's it. That is why we can start with don't write with 0 and 2. So it will be start with 4. Suppose he will put 0 and remaining places which can be done in any number we can apply. So this can be done in how many ways? Three places, and this is 5 digits. So that is why you get as the 4-digit number, the number start with 4 or 6 or 8 that are greater than 4000. So you can get that 4000. So that is done in the way. So that is 4, 6, 8, nothing but 3 choices. And the remaining numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. So 0 cannot be in the this number, and it can be condition is given that greater than 4000 given. So it should be filled with 4 or 6 or 8. The 3 choice will be appear. So remaining 3 places, and numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers, 3 places. So suppose we can apply this in the first place with 4. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 digits, 3 places. So it can be done in 4p3 ways. Therefore, the total number of arrangements are 3 into 4p3. That is 3 into 24. That is equal to 72. So total numbers means first case you can get 96. Second case you can get 72. That is total number of numbers are 168. So this is the question. So that is what is the question is given. I am explaining once again. So that is, find the number of numbers that are greater than 4000 which can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 without repetition. So that is, it should be greater than 4000. So we will arise two cases, that is once 4-digit number or else 5-digit number. So 4-digit number why you are taking nothing but this is the 4000 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-digit number. So 4-digit number, that is the condition is given greater than 4000. So it should be always fill up with the 4, 6, 8. That is why this can be done in 3 ways. We can occupy these three places with any number, as 0 we can use here, or 2 or anything. So it can be first we fill with 4, then you get how many numbers? 4 numbers will you get. 4 numbers, 3 places. So that is nothing but 4 P3 numbers into 3. So that is 24 into 3. So that is 72 will appear in the first case. In the similarly second 5-digit number means by using the digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 cannot be in the first place. So we can only by using the 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 4 places 4 digits, nothing but 4 into 4 factorial, that is 4 into 24, that is 96. So total numbers will be, the answer is 92 plus 7, 92 plus 72. Then you get number of numbers of the by using the greater than 4,000, which are greater than 4000, and by using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is the rough idea. You can write as this like this. Okay, then go to the next question. Then for the what is the question is given, nothing but divisibility rules first you have to learn. So that is the common different divisibility rules. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 25 are there. So if it is the number is divisible by 2, if a number is divisible by 2, the divisibility rule is the last digit ends with an even number. That means units place must be filled with an even number. And the next 3 is sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. Sum of the digits, if any number is given, it should be by adding the digits, then you get the multiple of 3, then it is divisible by 3. And the fourth divisibility rule is last 2 places is divisible by 4. If any number is given, units and tens place is the 2 digits are in the multiple of 4, then the number is divisible by 4. If it is 5, the last, and that means units place as 0 or 5. And sixth one, last digit is even number, and sum of the digits is multiple of 3. That is the divisibility rule for 6. And the last 8 should be last 3 places divisible by 8. And units, tens and hundreds places, the last 3 places divisible by 8. And this is 9. Sum of the digits are also same like this 3. Here also sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. 25 means last digit of numbers are either 00, 25, 50 and 75. That is the 25 multiples and 0 will be. So this is the common divisibility rule for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 25. And some another important note is out of any 6 consecutive integers, exactly one number is divisible by 6 and exactly 2 numbers are divisible by 3 and exactly 3 numbers are divisible by 2. Suppose any two numbers, any continuation numbers, in this one number only divisible by 6 and exactly two numbers are divisible by 3 and exactly three numbers are divisible by 2. Continuation of the numbers, three numbers should be divisible by 2. That is the, if it is the numbers are given consecutive numbers. So on this basis the question is in the question number 11. That is why I given that tabular form. Find the number of 4-digit number that can be formed using the digits 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 without repetition. How many of them divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 25? So digits are given 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. So the number of 4-digit number that can be formed by using the digits are, so 4-digit number is asking 1, 2, 3, 4-digit number by using the digits 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. Here how many digits are given? 5 digits. By using the 3 places nothing but, so 3 places are there. So it can be, 4 places. So it can be done in 5p4 ways, that is 120 numbers. For the question is given, how many of them divisible by 2? Out of 120 numbers, divisibility by 2, how many numbers we will get, he is asking. So the first question is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 nothing but, if any number is divisible by 2, previously just now we have learned The units place must be filled with even numbers. So that is the rule of divisibility 2. So in these numbers 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, what are the even numbers? 2 and 6 and 8. The three possibilities are we can get. So either here filled with 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. This is nothing but how many numbers? 3. 3 ways. So this can be done in 3 ways, and left over 3 places, and if it is filled by either 2, then you get remaining 4 digits. Remaining 4 digits, 3 places. 4 digits and 3 places. 4 digits and 3 places can be done in, that is in the form, that is 4p3. So therefore total number of numbers can formed by 4p3 into how many are there? Into 3. That is 24 into 3. 24 into 3 nothing but 72 numbers will be divisible by 2, which are given 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. Okay. First find out find the number of 4-digit number is asking. That is why the numbers are given 5 digits and the 4 places. So it can be done in 5p4, that is 120. In these, out of these numbers, a number divisible by 2 means the units place must be filled with the even number. That is the divisibility rule for 2. So this can be done in 3 ways. Then if you get here, we arrange in this units place, suppose we arrange the 2, then you get the remaining digits are 4 and the remaining 3 places. So 4 digits and 3 places can be done in 4p3, and the way is how many are there to fill the units place, that is 3 into 4p3. So total number of numbers are 72, which are divisible by 2 out of the given integers 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. This is the question and this is the way of explanation. This is, we have to write all this like this. So next go to the question, second question, that is 3. 3 is given. So that is divisibility rule by 3. If a numbers are given, what are the numbers? 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 are given. If a number is divisible by 3 means sum of the digits must be multiple of 3. The rule for 3 is sum of the digits must be multiple of 3. So by adding these 2, 3, 5, 6 plus 8. So then you get 10, 14, 5 plus 5, 10, 14, so 24. So it is also multiple of 3, but you are getting only for 4 digit. So eliminate any number. So remove any number from out of 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. So that is we can use by multiple of 3. You remove any digit of given digits. So in place of we remove, suppose we remove 6. 6 means you get 18. 18 means it is a multiple of 3. So this is the way. So that is 2, 3, 5, 8 is the one way. And another way, so we want only 4 digit. That is why we are selecting the which number will be to eliminate the number. So first one case is remove by 6, and another case is suppose remove 3. Second case, remove 3. The chance is there. So remove 3 means 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8. That is also 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus nothing but 21. So this is also multiple of 3. So nothing but this can be another way. So this is the first way. This is the second way. And so, and remaining numbers should be by how many numbers are there? 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 8, or else 2, 5, 6, 8. This is a 4-digit number. 4-digit number can be filled in 4 places. So this can be done in 4 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of ways are, this is 2 ways and 4 factorial, that is 24 into 2, that is 48 ways. So number is divisible by 3. Nothing but sum of the digits must be multiple of 3. So sum of the digit here 24, it is a multiple of 3, but the question is given that only to fill the 4 digit number. So that is by eliminate any one out of any 5 numbers. You can by checking the number. Suppose we remove by 6 and remove by 3. Then you get 2, 3, 5, 8. That sum is 18. So it is a multiple of 3. Suppose remove by 3. It is also multiple of 3. So then you get two choices. Remaining, suppose eliminated by 3. Suppose eliminated by 8. You get 11 plus 3, 14, 16. It is not a multiple of 3. So don't take that value. So remove by 6 and remove by 3 are only two choice will become. So that is 2, 3, 5, 8 one way and 2, 5, 6, 8. It is also multiples of 3. So you get how many digits here? Then you get 2, 5, 6, 8 here, 2, 3, 5, 8. So that is 4-digit number to fill the 4 places. So in this each case we can permute them in 4 factorial ways. Therefore total number of numbers is which are divisible by 3 here, the 2 into 4 factorial, that is 48 ways. So this is the question, divisibility rule by divisibility by 3. Next goes to the next one, divisibility by 4. So 4 we want to fill the 4-digit number. So that divisibility rule for 4 is nothing but last two places must be filled any given digits. So we fill the last two places, units and tens places, by given digits are two. What are the given digits is given? 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. The digits are given. 2 we want to check it by the last two places must be divisibility by 4. So we can appear as in the line sequentially we can go. 23 is not possible, 25 not possible, and 26 also it is not a multiple of 4. Then you get 28 here. This is the one way. And remaining starting with 3. So 32 will be divisible by 4 and 35 now. So 36 will be one chance another way, and 38 not there. So 52 is there. So 52 means 52 is the another way. 53 not goes by divisibility rule, and 56, and then you get 56 and 58. So how many ways? Which last two places must be filled by? Two places filled by this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 choices. So that is 5 ways. That is 5 ways. And suppose 28 you can arrange them in the last two places. Remaining how many digits will be? So this is 3 digits. 3 digits remaining, and the places are 2 places. So 2 places can be done in 3 digits, and for 2 places this can be done in 3p2 ways. Into how many ways? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ways. So this is the value for so 3p2 nothing but 6 into 5 nothing but 30. So out of 120 numbers, 30 numbers are divisible by 4. This is the question number 3. So in the question we want to fill the 4-digit number which are divisible by 4. So last the divisibility rule by 4 is the last units and tens places is multiple of 4. So that how will you get? You can so make a choice to fill the last two places. So divisibility rule for given numbers as in the order of 23, 25, 26, 28. So it is a possible for divisibility rule for it will be divided by 4 and 32 and 36, 52, 50. This is the 5 ways to fill the last two places. Suppose you arrange 28, then you get the digits are 3 digits and leftover places are 2. This can be done in 3p2 into 3p2 ways, and total answer is the total number of ways is 3p2 into 5, that is 30 ways will be divisible, which are divisible by 4 in the by using the digits 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. This is the question number 3. Then go to the question number 4. So divisibility rule for 5. Divisibility rule for 5 means so we want here also 4-digit number. To fill the 4-digit number, the last units place must be filled with as 0 or 5. So 0 or 5 means here 0 is not there. So only for choice the given digits are 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. There is only one choice to fill the last place. So that is only this is only by 5. So if it is filled by 5, then you get 4 digits remaining and 3 places. That can be done in 4p3 ways. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. Out of 2, 3, 6, 8, fill with the 3 digits. So remaining 3 places can be filled with remaining digits 2, 3, 6, 8. So this can be done in 4p3 ways. 4p3 nothing but the value is 24. And the last place in units place has to be filled in one way. So nothing but 24 into 1, nothing but 24. This is the answer. 24 numbers will be divisible by 5 out of given the integers 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. The last question is fifth one. Fifth one is divisibility rule for 25. 25 nothing but the units and tens place. Units and tens place either fill with 0, 0, 2, 5 and 50 or 75. These numbers will be multiples of 25. So in this by using the digits 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, there is only one choice to fill the, that is 25 is there. So last two places must be filled with only by using the digits, or the way is only 2, 5 will be there. So 2, 5 if it is over, then you get the three digits and left over two places. Three digits and two places. So this can be done in 3p2 ways. So and this is the only to fill this number as one way into 3p2 into 1. So 3p2 nothing but 6 ways. This is the 26 numbers are 6 numbers which are divisible by 25 out of the given integers 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. This is the question number 13. So this is the way of writing. The left side is writing way of writing from first onwards. Find the number of 4-digit number that can be formed using the digits 2, 3, 5, 6, 8 without repetition. How many of them are divisible by 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 25. So like this you have to write all this left side like this. In that way also you can write and simplify all those numbers and all those. Then go to the next question. Find the sum of 4-digit number that can be formed using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 13579 is there given. So that is the number. So 13579. So the question is given that sum of the 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits. Sum of the numbers by using the digits 13578. Sum of the digital numbers. So how many numbers? First of all, I can get 4-digit number is asking. So out of how many are there? 5 digits. To get the number for four places. So this can be done in how many ways? That is the number of ways nothing but 5p4, which is nothing but 120. So the number of 4-digit numbers formed by using the digits 13579 without repetition is 5p4 numbers. But in the questions are given sum is afterwards all 4-digit numbers. So that should be filled with, suppose first case I am taking 4-digit number. Out of any number I am taking first using by 3. 3 means suppose I am keeping here units place. This is the units place. How many numbers out of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is given. So 3 is filled. It is fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers are there. 4 numbers and 4 digits and 3 places. 3 places. So this can be done in ways 4p3 into 3. So into 1. Why? Because 1 it is in the units place. All digital numbers, sum of all 4-digit numbers, that should be the number is on the units place. It may be filled with units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place. And then add this all this, the value obtained by total all values. If the value is given in the number is on the value of units place, tens place, hundreds place and thousand place, all those. So by afterwards, lastly, you can simplify for getting the sum of all those numbers. So that should be done in first you put in the units place as number, any number, but I am taking here 3. So 3 nothing but 3 in the units place. So this can be done in 3 is fixed. Remaining how many numbers are left over? 4 digits are left over. 3 places are there. So it can be done in 4p3 into 3. 3 into units place nothing but I am writing 4p3 into 3 into 1. Similarly, 4p3 numbers are in the 4p3 numbers are in the tens place. This is a tens place. So here also 3 fixed 4 digits and the leftover 3 places. So that is nothing but 4p3 into 3 into 10. So similarly 4p3 in hundreds place. It can be done in hundreds place, nothing but 4p3 into 3 into 100. If it is filled with in thousands place, this can be done in 4p3 into 3 into 1000. So first place, units place, tens place, thousand, hundreds place, thousand. Sum of all digital numbers that can be formed using the 513579. So total numbers are 5 digits. To fill the number as 4 places, so this can be done in 5p4. 5p4 nothing but 120 numbers. Out of these numbers you can get by using the given digits. But in the question, all 4 digital means it may be in the units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place. Just I am taking units place. By taking out of 5 digits, I am taking here 3. In the first I put in the units place. So units place nothing but 3 is fixed with out of these numbers. So that is 4 numbers remaining and 3 places and 4 numbers that can be done in 4p3 ways. Into 3 in the units place nothing but 3 into 1 I am writing. Similarly, second way is the put in the hundreds place, tens place. Then also you can get 4 digits and 3 leftover boxes. So this can be done in 4p3 into 3 into 10. Similarly, 3 in the hundreds place, 4p3 into 3 into 100. Lastly, last place can be filled in 4 thousands place. So leftover numbers are similarly here 4 numbers, 3 leftover boxes. This can be done in 4p3 into 3 into 1000. Similarly, now adding all these numbers, so that is the value obtained by adding 3 in all places, all the numbers, that is 4p3 into 3 plus 4p3 into 30 plus 4p3 into 300 plus 4p3 into 3000. So in all these 4p3 is common, 3 plus 30 plus 300 plus 3000. So it can be done in 3, 3, 3 by adding this. Now writing 4p3 into 3 into 111. Similarly, just I am taking by 3. In similar way, the value obtained by adding all in the places of 3, you should keep as 1. Then you get 4p3 into 1 into 4 ones by 5. That is 4p3 into 5 into 4 ones by 7 also. 4p3 into 7 into 4 ones by number 9. So that is 4p3 into 9 into 1 4 ones. Why? Because all these are in the same in previously done in the, suppose you keep in the 1 in the units place nothing but 4p3 into 1. Similarly, 1 you keep in the tens place. Tens place nothing but here you get 4p3 into 10. Suppose 1 in the tens hundreds place, 4p3 into 100. In similarly 4p3 nothing but in the thousands place, then you get 4p3 into 1000. By adding this, you can get here 4p3 into 1 into 4 once you can get. Similarly, by using the here, keep it as 5. 4p3 into 5 here. 4p3 into 50. 4p3 into 100, 500. 4p3 into 5000. In all these, you can get 5 as common, and by adding 1000, 100, 10 and 1, you get 4 ones. By 7 also like this. By 9 also you can. In the question is asking that the sum of the all numbers. So sum of all numbers means in this previously done all these numbers should be adding. So that is 4p3 into 1 into 4 ones plus 4p3 into 3 into 4 ones plus 4p3 into 5 into 4 ones plus 4p3 into 7 into 4 ones plus 4p3 into 9 into 4 ones. So that means 4p3 into 4 ones as common, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All these you can add. Then you get here 25. But 4p3 value is nothing but 4p3 nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 nothing but 24 into 4 ones into 25. So this is the 4600. Total answer is this value. So in the question is given previously, this is the most important for IPE. So sum of all 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So sum of 4-digit numbers formed with by using total 5 digits to fill the boxes as 4 places. This can be done in 5p4 ways. In next first question is in the first way nothing but 4 digital number means you should take out of any numbers. I am taking here 3 in the it can be placed with units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place. So 100 place, suppose 3 is fixed in the units place, then you get the 4 digits and 3 places. This can be done in 4p3 ways, but 3 into 1 means 3 into units place, nothing but 3 4p3 into 3 into 1. In similarly 3 in the hundreds place. So 3 contains in the tens place. Tens place nothing but 4p3 into 3 into 10. Suppose 3 in the hundreds place. So 3 contains numbers in hundreds place nothing but 4p3 into 3 into 100. Suppose 3 last place, that is hundreds place. So 4p3 numbers contain 3 in the thousands place, nothing but 4p3 into 3 into 1000. So similarly, the value total, thus the value obtained by 3 in all the numbers is, so 4p3 into add is 3 plus 30 plus 300 plus 3000, that is 3333. So then you get 4p3 into 3 into 111. Similarly, the value obtained by adding 1 in all the numbers, it will be 1 like this way. And similarly 5 and 7 and 9. So all these numbers simplified value like this. But in the question is given the sum of all 4-digit numbers. So total these values you can add. In this 4p3 is common, 4 ones as common. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Sum of the digits. So this is nothing but 25. Multiply, then you get 4 6s 00. So the process is this like this only you have to solve. This is in the way of sum of all 4-digit numbers. So another way is also there in the shortcut way for objective question, and IP also you can write like this. So that is n digits are given, 0 is not included in the question. R digit numbers are formed without repetition, then the sum of all R digit numbers is n minus 1 p r minus 1 sum of the digits into 4 once as r times. So here the numbers are given 13579, 13579 here, 13579. So that is where the sum of the digits nothing but n equal to number of digits are 5, r equal to 4 digital numbers, that is r equal to 4. Substitute in the formula n minus 1 p r minus 1 sum of the digits into 4 ones. Here r times meaning nothing but 4 times. Suppose 5 is given, 5 ones we have to write. So sum of the digits and n minus 1 p r minus 1 nothing but 4p3. So total answer is this. So in the way of objective method, this can be follow this method. In the similar way, write as it is, that also okay. This way also you can write, which way we want you can write. And next going to next problem, question number 13. Find the sum of 4-digit number that can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 4, 7, 8. In previous problem numbers are given, but in this 0 is not included, but here 0 is included. That is the difference between the two questions. So first, to remove the 0 also, first of all, you can, how many numbers you can get by to form a 4-digit number. So out of 5-digit numbers, so you can get 5p4, but 0 should not be in the last place. So how many numbers 0 is goes? 0 will be cutting 4-digit numbers 3 places, nothing but without 0, that is for total overall minus 0 included. That is 5p4 minus 4p3 number, that is 120 minus this is 24. So out of 96 numbers you can get this one. So why? Because here don't keep in the thousands place as 0. Then you get 3-digit number. So should not be fill in the last place. So fill in the units or else tens and hundreds. But don't keep in the last thousands place. Then you get 3-digit number. But in the question is given that 4-digit number. That is why. So you can minus. You have to minus. Total minus without 0. So with 0, then you get without the number of 0. 0 is not included number you can get. That is why total numbers you can get 5p4 with 0 should not be. So that is in the form of 0. 0 will be eliminated. You get 4 digits and 3 places. This can be done in 4p3. Total overall numbers are the number of 4-digit numbers formed by the given digits without repetition is 5p4 minus 4p3, that is 96 numbers. In these 96 numbers, the question is given sum of all 4-digit number. Sum of all 4-digit number means check out by every number. Suppose I am taking first 2 by using 2. Out of any number 2 I am applying. So that is why you can get 1, 2, 3, 4. So always 0 not in the last place. So first 0 is not 0 you should not take. So that is how many numbers will you get? 4-digit numbers. 2 will be over 0, 4, 7, 8. That is 4 numbers. So that is why one fill with 2. Then you get 4p3. So suppose here with 2. So then you get how many numbers? Nothing but 3 leftover boxes, 4-digit numbers. It can be done in 4p3. But in this 0 is included. Suppose here 0 should not be in the place of thousands place. Then I am subtracting how many numbers? If it is 2 with and 0, then you get 3 digits and 2 leftover boxes. Then you get 4p3 minus 3p2 numbers containing 2 in the units place. In similarly, suppose 4-digit number, suppose I am keeping the 2 in the hundreds, tens place. Tens place nothing but here how many numbers you can get? 4p3 numbers. But 0 is not included. So then you get 4p3 minus 3p2 numbers which are in the hundreds place also. And similarly, 2 in the hundreds place. Hundreds place nothing but you can get 4p3 numbers and 0 should not be in this. That is also 4p3 minus 3p2 numbers which are in here 20, here only 2, here only hundreds place nothing but 200. In the last place you can change by 2 here. So how many numbers you get? 4p3 numbers. So last place. So this is the filling of the cases. Then the value obtained by all this you can sum. So you can add this all this. So add this all this means you can get the value obtained by adding all these numbers is 4p3 minus 3p2 into 2 plus 4p3 minus 3p2 into 20 and this is 200 and this lastly 2000. So from this 4p3 is common in all those 2 plus 20 plus 200 plus 2000 minus 3p2 into 2 plus 20 plus 200. So this simplified triple 4 twos and here triple 2, then you get 2 into 4 ones minus into 2 into this 3p2 nothing but 6, 4p3 nothing but 24. So similarly by adding by 4 in place of 2 you can apply 4 by number 7. So by number 8 like this all those you can get. Then in the question is given the sum of all the numbers, that is all these you can add is all total values 24 into 4 ones into 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8 and similarly 6 into 3 ones common 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8, that is 21 total adding. So all these 21 is common, 24 into 21 is this number and this total value you can get this. So this is the question number 13. This is also very important. In this method you can get another way also, short objective method is there. If n digits are given, 0 is included, then the sum of the odd digits numbers that can be formed with the when repetition is are not allowed is n minus 1 p r minus 1 sum of the digits into 1 1 1 1 as r times minus n minus 2 p r minus 2 sum of the digits into 1 1 1 as r times. Why? Because minus 0 is included. So we can subtract this 0 with numbers. That is why we can get previous problem for this minus we should write. So here n equal to 5, r equal to 4, given this are 0, 2, 4, 7, 0 is included. So therefore 0 is included means the sum of the all 4-digit number that can be formed using the digits is n minus 1 p r minus 1 sum of the digits into r equal to 4 na, so that is by 4 ones and n minus 2 p r minus 2 nothing but here r minus 1, here r minus 1, r minus 1 times nothing but 3 minus, so that is triple 1. So 4p3 numbers nothing but 24, they are adding 21, 4 ones minus 3p2 nothing but 6 into 21 into 21 common, then you get same thing answer. This is the objective method, or else you can write also in the board intermediate also you can get 4 marks in this question. So in both questions, if you want to both methods you can practice. Any one of the method you can follow. Next, go to the next question. Rank problem. This is most important for IP and objective. If the letters of the word prison are permitted in all possible ways, the number of words that can be formed in the dictionary order, find the rank of the word prison. Find the rank of the word prison, he was asking. So the question is given, find out the rank of prison. First you write as what is the order of the prison in the dictionary. So first write in the alphabetical order, I is the first way, and N and P and P R S. This is the order of the alphabetical order of the letters of the word prison. This is first write all this order of the alphabetical order. So in the dictionary we will see with the by checking the prison means first you change in the then you go to the order wise, that is in the form first we can check in the I. So how many I in with I you can get. So if it's the number is by checking by I, the number of word that begin with suppose I, so remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So you can fill up with 5 factorial, that is 120 numbers you can get. And it is not getting for prison, so then why go to the next choice, that is n. N means n is fixed, remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then you get also 5 factorial. And it is not getting the prison word, then you go to the next order, that is o. O also getting 5 factorial numbers. O fixed means I N P R S is there, then you get 5 factorial. Next onwards, next go to the alphabetical order, then go to the P. P means starting with P. So it is tallied. So that is same thing. So coincides. That is why P. Next go to the next. We will see the next letter. So then open the next bit. So that is go to P and then go to the alphabetical order. So in the formulas don't take the R here. First you then go back. That is in the alphabetical order. Then first you put in the PI. So PI nothing but P and I fixed. Then you get NORS. So this can be 4 numbers, means nothing but 4 factorial numbers will can appear. In this 4 factorial numbers, after 24 numbers you can see the another word. So that is next go to the PI nothing. So you want to PR up to this you can write. So then you get PI nothing but after it is I is fixed. Suppose next go to the PN series. So Pn nothing but in the series also you can get 4 factorial numbers. Then also you can see the next order, that is PO also 4 factorial. Next then go to PO after PP. P already fixed. Then go to PR. PR means you get PR here. So then you got next letter will be open. The series is tally in the comment set. Then go to the next letter. Then go to next letter means you can go back with alphabetical. Then you get right here I. So PRI. PRI nothing but also PRI makes also coincide. Then you go to the next letter to open. So that is in the order PRI. I already over. Then you go to here right with N. So nothing but 2 factorial numbers will appear. After this PR and IO. Nothing but this is also 2 factorial. After N you can write as O. Then PRI S, then go to P is fixed, R is fixed, then go to the S. Now prison means PRIS is over. So then go to the next letter open. Open nothing but then go to the go back with the alphabetical order. I should be fixed. N is there. So you can write as N here. So already N is here. So PRIS N. So that is why you can get as how many way? That is one way. Next go to PRIS. N is over. Now write as here O. So that is nothing but O nothing but it can be tallied. Then go to the order. Then you write as so one way. So that here so total numbers you can add. So that is my factorial nothing but 120. Here also 120. Here also 4 factorial nothing but how many? 24. And here 24, 24, 4, 3, 2, 1, 24. 2 factorial nothing but 2 and 2 and here 1, 1. So total value then you get in the next page. So that is 438. Therefore, rank of the word is 438. This is the question number. Last question. So C first, starting with I, nothing but 5 factorial. If it is 5 fixed, nothing but remaining 5 factorial numbers you can get. If it is n, we will check out by n, then you get also n fixed means I, O, P, R, S, T. So you can get 5 factorial. Then go to O. O nothing but O is fixed. Then go to I, N, P, R, S. How many numbers means? So this is also 5 factorial. Then go to P. P means P already we can see with the prison only it is tallied. So then go to the next letter open. In the series, you go back in the alphabetical order. Then that is PI will be fixed. So that can be done in PI is over. Then you get NORS. So 4 numbers, nothing but 4 factorial numbers. You can check it by 4 fact 24 numbers will appear. Then go to the next series. PI is over. Then go to the PN series. Here also PN is fixed. Then you get 4 numbers. That is in the series 4 factorial numbers will be appear. Next go to the PO. PO series, here also 4 factorial. PO fixed means INRS. So that is 4 factorial. Then go to the PR. PR means in the prison it is tallied. So then go to the next letter open and go back with the alphabetical order. That is PRIN. So that is 2 factorial. If it is 4 words remaining, then you get O and S. So it can be done in 2 factorial number. Then PRIO and then PRISN, then PRISON. So it is one factor, that is also total numbers is nothing but 438. So this is the way of finding the rank of the word. By in this way you can practice in the another questions are there in the examples. You can follow this as Cipran and master. You practice all this and master and remast. All those are important. This is also important for finding the rank of the word. In the same way you can practice this one. In the previous question remaining in this bag, question number 5 is remaining. So that is why I am saying that question, how many number of 9 mathematics papers can be arranged so that the best and the worst papers may come together and may not come together. So first, how many ways 9 mathematics papers can be arranged? So this can be arranged, 9 mathematics papers are there. This can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. In the first question may not come together. What is the question? Best and the worst paper may not come together. So come together means it is the one, treat the best and worst papers as one unit. Then we have 8 papers. Why? Because this paper, best paper and worst paper as treat as one paper, then including 9 paper, the paper should be as one. So remaining as 8 papers is there. So this can be done in 8 factorial ways, and the best and worst papers among themselves in prepared in 2 factorial. So then you get total value is 8 factorial into 2 factorial. And may not come together means total arrangements minus may come together. Total arrangements are 9 factorial minus 8 factorial into 2 factorial. In this 9 factorial you can write as 9 into 8 factorial minus 8 factorial into 2 factorial. 8 factorial is common, then you write 9 minus 2, that is 7 into 8 factorial. This is the question number 5. Previously PSAQ is 1 hour left over, that is why I am saying this. 12th question. 12th question is given that how many are there? Question textbook is there. So check it textbook as now totally from 5 boys find the number of ways of arranging. The question is given, find the number of ways of arranging. Find the number of ways of arranging 5 boys and 4 girls. 5 boys and 4 girls in a row. 5 boys and 4 girls in a row. Begin and end with boys. First question, begin and end with boys. Second question, begin with a boy, end with a girl. Begin with boy and end with a girl. This is the question number 12. Find the number of ways of arranging 5 boys and 4 girls in a row. Nothing but total number of persons are here 9. 5 plus 4. That is, they can be arranged in a row. So that is why we can arrange in 9 factorial ways. So then you get in the first question is given that begin and end with boys. So in this total numbers are 9. So it can be placed in the row means like this. First begin and end with boys. So first we fill up with the first and last places with 5 boys. Out of how many boys are there? 5 boys are there. 5 boys and 4 girls are there. So it's total value, these values. So out of 5 boys, to place begin and end with boys nothing but in the how many ways you can done in nothing but 5p2 ways. Why? Because 5 boys 2 places. So it can be done in 5p2 ways. Then we have leftover places are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places we have. In these 7 places, we have to fill up with 3 boys. Already 2 over now, remaining 3 boys are there and 4 girls are there. So total values, so total persons are 7. So they can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. Therefore, the total ways is 5p2 into 7 factorial. That is nothing but this value. In the lastly, second question is given begin and end with a boy and end with a girl. So that is why I am taking 9 places, begin with a boy and girl end with a girl. So therefore, the first place can be filled with how many ways can be filled? By 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5. That is how many ways? 5 ways. In the last place, nothing but it can be filled in any one of the girl as in how many ways? 4p1. That is girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, girl 4. How many? 4 girls are there. So it can be done in 4 ways. First place can be filled with as boys. How many boys are there? 5 boys. So that 5 ways. 4 girls, nothing but 4 ways. Then the remaining how many places left over? 7 places. So the remaining nothing but 1 boy is fixed, 1 girl is fixed. Then you get 4 boys and 3 girls. So 4 boys and 3 girls, nothing but 7 places and 7 persons. This can be done in 7 factorial ways. Therefore, total ways is 5 into 4 into 7 factor. Both the ways are same, but in the arrangement are different. So this carries also 2 mark question. The first exercise is over. So all of you practice all those very SAQs in the objective method also over. So always write in the expression also important. Practice once again. So we have to practice and more and more. Tomorrow I will start the second exercise. Okay, Nana. Thank you.